This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 1: Understanding the Communicative Environment (EI). Communication encompasses intentional and unintentional aspects, with overt and covert elements to consider. Soft skills, like social graces and emotional traits, are qualitative personality attributes, distinct from quantifiable hard skills like programming. Body language, silence, and inaction can convey messages, even covert ones, just like in detective stories. Everything around us, from words and images to sounds and environments, potentially communicates information within specific contexts, with absence itself being a form of communication. Communication involves various channels like voice, text, and facial expressions, which can sometimes conflict, leading to ambiguity. Interpretation plays a crucial role in making sense of messages within a communicative context, with different interpretations arising due to socio-cultural contexts and individual perspectives. Barriers such as weak signals, language barriers, and noise can disrupt effective communication, while encoding and decoding occur at various levels, including language, digital signals, and analogies. Feedback, acknowledgement, and interpretation are vital parts of the communication transaction process. Communication involves many subtle, covert aspects to consider. Soft skills like social graces and emotional intelligence are essential. Everything around us potentially communicates contextual meaning, and recognizing communication channels and models aids in developing effective skills. However, sociocultural filters shape interpretation and meaning-making, while barriers like noise, biases, and emotions can hinder communication. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.